It's a solemn night, the bonfire to remember our fallen heroes.
Big shout out to Vince on the beat, by the way.
Anthony Hooper, Apsu 98 Vice Convener. Well, so far so good. All the Apsu 98s all over the world, everybody is here.
Oh, we're feeling very great. Everything is nice. I want to, applaud the executives for putting up a good legacy project for all of us. I thank all my mates, for contributing immensely towards this program.
Kenny, Apsu 98, St. John's House, chairman for the speech and prize giving day, yes.
Right, so this year everybody is talking about the anniversary, that it has been well planned. I mean, so far, share with us your sentiments.
98 people, we stand for excellence. And we all know nothing but the best is good for St. Augustine. So we actually sat down and actually planned everything. You could see from our legacy projects, which is the best in the history of the school.
Just awesome. It's an awesome feeling. I wasn't gonna miss this for the whole world.
Exciting and very entertaining, as you can see for yourself.
Big shout out to Vince on the beat, by the way.
came to St. Augustine's with a lot of guys, but few of us have also passed on. And this night, we want to remember all of them and pray for their souls, that wherever they are, God should protect them until we meet again in the kingdom of heaven.
Yeah, I think after the bonfire, we are moving to Heritage. Tomorrow, there will be a health screening in the morning at Chapel Square, 8 a.m. We also have a football match around 3 p.m. with Apsu and the Masters at 3 p.m. So we are expecting everybody to be here. And on Saturday is the grand commission of our legacy project. Please be here and see what the great men of Apsu 98 has done.
We are all happy to be here. You know, it's a lifetime thing. This is our year, and we want to make it great.
It's very well planned. Kudos to the executives for leading us. It's a very huge project. I'm glad we're able to pull it off.
It speaks volumes of the people we have at the helms of affairs. So it's a time for all of us to come and enjoy.
After 25 years, Glasgow and coming back to see this beautiful thing. I mean, we are all happy. I'm very excited, and it's been good. It's been very good.
It's been amazing. I think that this one, the best organized speech day and anniversary and project that is a legacy project. They've really done well. Apsu 98 thumbs up.
My name is Adnan Brahima. I'm a geomatic engineer, Apsu 98. I work with the Lands Commission. Yes.
My name is Kakra Asasi, Apsu 98. Science student. I'm a software engineer right now.
So let's talk about the anniversary. It's been awesome. Apsu 98, you are hosting this and everybody is talking about it. Your sentiments so far?
Well, I think it's been great. You know, we took over the baton to host this year's celebration. I think it was just last year, and we decided to put things together. And you know what we did? It's very marvelous, yes. And it took a lot of encouragement and, you know, everybody coming on board to contribute a little here and there. And I think we did great. We did great. So we're actually proud of ourselves that we could pull it through. Yeah, I think it was really great.
My sentiments? I mean, if not now, when? I mean, 25 years. Since we graduated from high school, I mean, this is like the best thing, you know, to be able to see our colleagues, you know, from back in the day. So it's been a great opportunity. Like, I'm really happy to see all my friends, you know, Adnan here, and we used to play basketball together. So it's just like being on the grounds, you know, you start to get like nostalgic and started, you know, have memories from like back when we were here, and you know, we lived here on this campus. And so yeah, it's been a great opportunity to come back. And I mean, this college really made us, right? I mean, a lot of our successes, you know, can be attributed to this college. And so I'm really grateful to be able to give back, you know, and also show the next generation, you know, some of the good things that we've done and that it can build on as well. So yeah, so we're really excited to be here. And I mean, if not now, when? Right? 25 years, Silver Jubilee. So yeah, thank you.
Do you have any final words to put out there?
I think it's just great to be back here again. You know, this were the days that most of us, the connects we got from here even exist till today. Back in our field of work, we actually connect with each other, assist people here and there. So I think being here has really helped most of us to project our careers, you know. So it's very great. Yeah, we are proud of our school. Yeah, all right.
Yeah.